guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing because I will be giving away the Xiaomi AirDots once I reach 11,000 subs. Now, I will only post the mechanics in my Instagram account, so go follow me on Instagram, FreshPH Manila. I want to share with you my journey, my adventure, and I just want to share that the Commonwealth in Rockwell, I went there to pick up this desert boots, Yeezy Salt colorway, and yes, this is totally amazing. If you haven't checked out my review on it, go check it right now. And if you check the review and you're watching this current video, yes, I went there and I saw a lot of exclusive, special sneakers on sale to start with. Now, it is on sale and they have an added 15% discount, almost 40% discount. That is totally affordable. And if I have the money, I will pick this up. I will pick it up. Definitely. To start with, we have here, this is a two-layered. Yes, this Converse Chuck Taylor is a two-layered sneaker that you can peel off, that you can unzip. It is 6,190 pesos, 4,333 pesos on sale, and then 15% discount. So 433 minus 15%. So it is now 3,683 pesos. 3,683 pesos. I think that is worth it. From 6,000, almost 50% off with that Converse. That is an exclusive Converse model. Next one is this. This is the New Balance in collaboration with Tokyo Studios. 8,995 pesos. Retail, almost 9,000 pesos. It is on sale for 6,206. Let's do the minus 6,206 minus 15%. So from 9,000, it is now 5,275 pesos. Not that bad. Now, that New Balance is a Tokyo Studio exclusive. It is not your regular New Balance shoe. And definitely, if I have the money, why not purchase it since it is an exclusive New Balance sneaker. Next one, let's go with this. This is a Vans Skate High. Vans Skate High. So from, as you can see, I can't remember if this is a Takayashi Takayashi release. From 8,298 pesos, 8,298. It is now 5,888. 5,888. So from 8,000, 5,188 minus 15%, 5,004. So it's still expensive because that is not your regular Vans model. But still, not that bad since it's already discounted. Maybe it's 30% off. Not that bad. Not that bad. Next one is this. This old school gel, Cayetano. This is the old school gel Asics, 7,690 pesos. Okay, then 5,383. 5,383 minus 15%, 4,575 pesos. Not that bad for an exclusive Asics model. Next one, let's check this out. They also have this ACG by Nike. It's an all-terrain running gear, something that you will use in a different kind of terrain or mountaineering. I'm not sure. It is budget friendly to start with. 6,295 pesos the retail price. It is on sale for 4,406 pesos, and then let's minus it up. 4,406 minus 15%, 3,745. For an exclusive Nike ACG, 3,745 pesos is not that bad. Totally not that bad. But the look of it, it's not that great. Now, this is a steal deal for Nike. 3,996 pesos. Already on sale. Let's minus it. So, 3,996 minus 15%. 3,396 pesos. Not that bad. Let's see. Okay, we have this. They have the Element React 55 5,398 pesos. 5,398 pesos minus 15%. 4,588 pesos. It's still a bit too high, but if you love that colorway, why not? And they still have a lot of on sale sneakers there, so go check out Commonwealth Rockwell or the Commonwealth at SM Aura and Greenbelt 5. It's just an update, and I think it's worth it. If you have the money, why not go for an exclusive sneaker, something that is worth buying, something that has a resale value if you just used it for a while and you just want to sell it. Those sneakers is a great shoe to have. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button and see you in another video.